It's sometime in November. It's November 4th. I'm on my lunch break finally. Just got a new job and it's not too bad. I'm just trying to keep the ball rolling. The loneliness is kicking in, it's settling in, whatever. But I don't know. I don't really have much to say besides that I'm just getting random footage, maybe ramble a little bit, and enjoy my sandwich that I have for lunch. I guess this is what locking in is supposed to look and feel like. I hope it's not how it's supposed to feel like, because it's good to keep record of all this stuff. I don't feel too comfortable in my own skin right now, but I'll figure it out. For those of you that care, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna sit in my car and try to enjoy my lunch. Sorry you guys had to see me eat food. I love y'all. Sorry.
Hey Ronnie, you gotta come take a picture.
I know.
You're
Come on over.
I'm not tall enough for
Let's
this.
scoot over a little bit. Let him stand on that side, Gabby.
You guys want me to take that
There we go.
for you?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
No, we're good.
Thank you.
It already got right here. Thank you though.
Thank
I appreciate that.
So I'm airsofting for the first time, and
You touched me first time.
I guess so. Got a mask up. They're taking a picture, so I had to move. This is just pre-game lobby. Everything's getting set up. Some people still need to get chronoed. And then I'll probably turn the cam back on when we get in the game. If the POV seems kind of low, it's because it's on my neck. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in there, turn on the cam, have fun, wish me luck. The footage might be ass because it's nighttime. We're doing a nighttime game, so I'm sorry if the footage sucks. I'll catch you when we're in there. That's what we're rolling with, body cam footage. This is our rental. It's beautiful. Shit, I'm actually blind as fuck. Did you get hit going through the hallway?
In my stomach.
Fuck off. Alright, debrief, I guess. The game has ended.
Is it on?
Yep. Closing out. We're all going home. Almost
Here
fell.
for like a couple
I don't feel so good. Fuck. So I just got to the hotel and I'm grabbing my stuff and then I'm gonna head up, but it's really nice. This is where I'm parked. And yeah, I'm gonna grab some stuff real quick and then I'll probably film right before I get in and then as I'm entering. Yes, this is my baby. I still got her. And yes, it's dirty. I have you guys on my neck right now, so I don't know what you can and can't see. It's Katie's car. But let's go ahead and just jump in and see where we gotta be. There's the entrance. Looks really nice. But yeah, let's do it. Sick. So cool. Sick. I'm gonna have to call and see where we're at. But yeah, I literally just got off work. There's me. Give me a sec. I should have tightened it more. Rick, hold on. Body cam footage. Seems pretty cool. This way? Hey, yo. I hope this isn't the wrong room. That'd be pretty embarrassing. Alright. Hold on, I get the cam back on. I'm gonna go settle down. Settle in. Sick. This is the door. Full size for the fit check. I know I look horribly washed because I just got off of work, but this is our spot. We got the switch set up. I am so hyped. Look at this shit. Yeah. Dang. Ain't no fucking way. I am so excited. I'm gonna shower and get ready and such. So yeah.